Hi folks, welcome to Masterclass. Today I want to talk about lubrication of your couplings, not the actual physical mechanism that you use a grease gun for. We've already covered that. What I want to talk about is the actual contact points between the pins and the main couplings. One is the DO35 coupling and the other is the poly block. One of the products I use a lot is dry lube. It comes in stick form like this, and it is a really good lubricant that is dry, won't attract all the dirt and dust and grease up and make anything it touches all sticky and horrible. This stuff's really good. If you're doing it on a poly block, it's simply apply it like a lipstick or sunblock or whatever. Apply it to the poly surface. It is very safe for the poly block. It's not like a petrochemical that's going to perish or eat into the poly. And the same thing for your DO35 coupling. You can run it around the edges, over the top of the coupling, around the O-ring, and it's ready to hook up and it'll reduce squeaking and wear. Same with this one, it'll stop a lot of the squeaking and wear. The next best thing is silicone spray as well. This doesn't get messy, it's a quick squirt on the poly block or the coupling, and it will lubricate it, stop any squeaks and reduce wear. So worth doing folks, take better care of the couplings. Your poly block will last longer. It won't make the squeaking noise that you hear so often when you're turning and traveling the tracks. For more great tips like this, go to our YouTube channel and check out the entire masterclass and follow us on Facebook so you can see each one as it comes up.